Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to learn how to delete all data from your phone storage. Open your settings, you slide down, go where system is, you open the system, you slide, then go to reset phone, erase all data. Then here you can erase. I have hidden my Gmail for it to be secure. So you will need to place erase all data for all data in your phone storage to be deleted. So if you find this video helpful, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.